Tornado warning in central Pennsylvania, issued by State College.
Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado.
We got 2 tornado warnings now.
South Central Columbia County in central Pennsylvania. Schuylkill
We got 2 now.
Pennsylvania. Southeastern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m.
There's a second one that just popped up south of this circulation.
Indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near
So I may get a rumblehead.
at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ashland, FRACKVILLE, KULPMONT, MAHANOY City, MINERSVILLE,
And I'm listening to
CARMEL,
this.
POTTSVILLE, Schuylkill Haven, SHAMOKIN,
It's gonna say south of
CLAIR,
Bloomsburg.
TAMAQUA,
It's gonna be a Schuylkill County from.
BEURYS Lake, Branchdale, Brandonville, Buckon, Coaldale, and Delano. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 107 to 139. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania.
Let me see if I get a double letter.
At 3 p.m. at the Lehigh Valley International Airport near Allentown.
That's the 3rd tornado warning I've seen today. Well, the 2nd one. This one's the 3rd. There's one in western New York this morning.
The wind was south at 10 miles an hour, gusting to 20 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.82 inches and falling. At Reading, it was mostly
Dauphin County.
The temperature was 84
Okay, this is north of Harrisburg.
66 degrees, and the relative humidity 54%.
This is north of Harrisburg, that second one.
Gusting to 22 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.
I bet you the Harrisburg stations are covering this.
Some conditions for nearby portions of eastern Pennsylvania at 3 p.m.
I think this is the beginning of a long afternoon. I know Reed Timmer's up there too, so he's up there chasing. He's probably on that storm that just got tornado warning.
It was partly sunny with a temperature